So let's talk about using the PLANEX M, removing popcorn or a textured ceiling. This is where the T-handle really comes in because I can push it up a little further and take the fatigue off of my arms. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is select the right grit. And when I do that, I look at the texture. And if it's a light texture, I'll start with 80 grit. But if it's a texture that's been painted several coats, I'll start with a much lower grit because it'll take more time removing it. The lower the grit, the quicker it comes off. But I don't want to burn through the paper of the ceiling as well. So I start with 80. The next thing I do is I look at my suction rate, and I'm going to take it and bring it to the ceiling because standing over your head, I want it to actually semi-adhere to the ceiling to take the weight off the PLANEX M, make less fatiguing. Also, you'll see when I'm sanding, I do a full pad overlap. That way there I capture all the grit coming down. I'll start off of the ceiling, I'll bring it up, and then start sanding. And it is literally that easy to remove popcorn from a ceiling with the PLANEX M.